Hello everyone and welcome to the Arai channel. Today we're talking about helmet cleaning. You may be wondering how to clean your Arai helmet. Some methods could be harmful to the helmet. Care should be taken to maintain your Arai to maximize the lifespan of the helmet. We'll show you how to properly clean your helmet. We'll also show how to get the helmet from fully assembled to all removable parts taken out. Let's divide it into 3 videos: full face, open face, and auto racing. This video will cover the full face helmets. See our next videos for open face and auto racing helmets. To skip ahead to quick clean, click on the annotation above. The Corsair X, Quantum X, and Signet X all share the same interior parts assembly. Let's use a Corsair X as an example. Begin by removing the cheek pads. Grab the cheek pad from the front and gently pull it away perpendicular to the shell. Slide the tongue tab out from behind the EPS liner. You can also remove the cheek pad cover for cleaning and reveal the 5mm peel away slice. Next, unsnap the headliner. It's held in by 4 yellow snaps. You can find the open side pockets of the headliner where riders can add or remove slices of foam to adjust fit. Underneath, you will see the EPS liner, where you can find the Snell sticker with Snell number and the size sticker. Next, the neck roll pops out by pulling the tongue tabs out from behind the chin liner. Take the small tongue tabs out of the cheek pads and then twist the neck roll clockwise relative to the bottom opening and remove. Finally, remove the chin strap covers by unclipping them from the metal and sliding off. The chin curtain is also removable. See our chin curtain video for more information. To remove, simply release from the neck roll tabs and rotate clockwise relative to the bottom opening. The rubber breath guard in the front of the helmet is also removable. Simply pull up gently but firmly. That's it for the interior. Now, let's cover the exterior. You can remove the shield easily by opening it and pressing the black release switches on the base plates. Press back and the holders will pop off. Then, lower the shield and pull off the top screw pivot point. If your shield has a pinlock lens, you can remove it by bending open the shield and peeling the lens out. Next, the holders and base plates can also be removed. The holders are tethered by a small plastic cord. Simply slide off and remove. Unscrew the 2 clear screws and the base plates pop off. Now disassembled, you can clean the parts with warm water and a microfiber towel. The entire helmet can be submerged in water with or without the internal and external parts. Dunk in warm water and let sit for up to 1 minute. If the interior pads are attached, squish them gently a few times to flush clean. Be careful not to crush the EPS liner or the EPS on the back of the cheek pad. Remove, drain, refill, and submerge again as many times as necessary. Avoid any kind of machine washing. Let the helmet air dry completely before reinstalling parts. You can also run water through the chin liner in the front and through the vent holes in the top to flush clean. Avoid all chemicals and cleaners and use only warm water, as chemicals can damage the plastic parts, EPS liner, and glues inside the helmet. Reinstallation is the opposite of installation. Start by reattaching the base plates to the shell. Use the 2 screws to hold the base plates on, but don't tighten yet. Reattach the shield by lining up the brass pin with the red circle. Press the opening of the shield over the screw pivot point until it locks on. Do this on both sides and open the shield to return the brass pin to its track. For those riders with the pinlock lens, remember to reinstall the lens by laying the shield flat, sliding the tabs under the black pin locks, and laying the lens into the cavity before reattaching the shield. Make sure to adjust the tightness of the lens by tightening or loosening the black pins on the shield to form a proper seal. To tighten the shield to the eye port, close it and put the helmet on its side. Press firmly with one hand on the shield and slide your hand toward the base plates. While maintaining pressure, tighten the screws to form a tight seal between the shield and eye port gasket. See our shield tightening video for more detail. Once tightened on both sides, open the shield again and reattach the holders to the tethers. Reattach the holder by the hang tab on the top screw pivot point and then pressing the holder on the base plate to lock in the bottom tab. Press the breath guard back into the space between the chin liner and the chin bar. Slide the chin strap covers back over the chin straps and click the yellow tabs into the metal hole. Install the neck roll by lining it up and pushing down on the 3 hang tabs located at the back. Make sure to push until the hang tabs click. Install the front by sliding the black tongue tabs between the chin spoiler mounting plate and the chin spoiler, both behind the chin liner. Slide the small tongue tabs back into the cheek pads as well. The headliner snaps easily back into place with the 4 yellow snaps, and the cheek pads can be reinstalled by sliding the tongue tab on the back of the cheek pad behind the EPS liner, and laying the front white tab into the tab receiver on the chin liner. Reinstall the optional chin curtain by pressing the hang tabs between the chin spoiler plate and the chin spoiler. Make sure to connect the hang tabs on the sides as well. And that's it. See part 2 for more details on our other full face helmets, and thanks for watching.